Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are soon to be a bride, then this video for you. Today I'm going to show you a church wedding bridal makeup tutorial. I'm so excited to show you guys how I achieved this bridal makeup look. Without further ado, let's get started. Off camera, I have done my eyebrows. Today I use MAC Deep Brown in code A77. Next, I'm going to moisturize my eyes. I'm taking Dr. G Hydrate Intense Eye Cream and apply under my eyes. Next, for my face moisturizer, I'm applying Ultra Repair Cream from Fab on my face and neck. Makeup such as foundation or concealer can look a lot better when it goes on evenly and smoothly. That is where the right moisturizer comes in handy. Use a gel cream or cream that hydrates your skin and also give your skin a more polished appearance. For my face primer today, I'm using NRC primer. I apply it on my face and neck. I have shared the reason of applying the primer on neck too in my previous videos. However, if this is the first time you're watching my video, let me share one more time with you guys. It is important to apply primer on your neck area too so that the foundation will not move and have a surface to hold the foundation, which we are going to apply next. You can choose to skip applying face primer for your daily makeup, but it's good to apply face primer before the foundation so that the makeup will last longer and gives a flawless finishing. After all, you are the bride today. To start my eye makeup, I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime as my eye base. I apply it with my fingers all over my eye area. For today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to use Jacklyn Hill eyeshadow palette from Morphe. First, I'm taking color called Cream Sizzle and apply above my crease area. Next, I'm taking this Silk Cream color and apply it on my eyelid area only. I'm taking Burns color from the same palette and apply it on my outer corner. I'm bringing it to my inner corner. I just want it to be on 2/3 of my eyelid. To intense my outer corner, I'm going to apply Mocha. I apply this color at my very outer corner in circular motion. I'm just applying using my fingers instead of brush. Make sure your hands are sanitized before you use it. And you can also use a flat brush to apply the eyeshadow on your eyelids. Next, I'm going to diffuse the colors so that it won't look harsh. Next, on top of the shimmer eyeshadow, I'm going to add on some glitters. I got this glitter from a drugstore. I'm using Sephora liquid eyeliner today. I just want to keep my eyeliner pretty thin and with a small wing. One thing I love about this liquid eyeliner is it dries quickly. Next, I'm going back to the same palette and taking Enlight color to highlight my brow bones. Moving to my face makeup, I'm taking my NRC in medium deep shade and Mary Kay in beige as my foundation today. I blend the foundation with a blending brush. Once I'm done blending my foundation with a foundation brush, I'm going to push the foundation into my skin using a triangle sponge. I'm pushing the foundation into my skin so that it will not sit on the surface of my face and give a flawless look. To highlight my highest plane of my face, I'm using True Match Concealer in Golden Honey. Meanwhile, if this is the first time you're watching my video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will not miss any of my new poses. I post new videos related to makeup on every Sundays. And I have listed all the products I have used in this tutorial in the description box. Next, I'm going to set the concealer with some translucent powder. Today, I'm using Laura Mercier loose powder. You can use any loose or translucent powder you have in your hand. I just let the powder to sit on my face a couple of minutes before dust it off, and don't forget to apply same loose powder on your neck area too. Next, I'm taking Sleek contour palette to contour my face and nose. For my blusher today, I'm going with Sephora blusher called Oh My Gosh. For this bridal look, I want to have a natural look. Therefore, I'm taking my Pearl Mineral from Physician Formula and apply it on my highest plane of my face. Before finishing my eye makeup, I'm applying Laura Mercier loose powder under my eyes. This is because the powder will catch any fall off of eyeshadow and easy to dust it off without ruining the face makeup. I'm taking Burns and Mocha color from the same eyeshadow palette which we used earlier and apply it on my lower lashes. And I'm smudging it with a small blending brush. To tighten up my lower waterline, I'm taking my Maybelline Kajol eyeliner. I left 1/3 of my lower lashes as now I'm going to press Heel Stir color from the same eyeshadow palette and apply some glitter on top of it. For my lipstick today, I'm going for a nude color. For that, I'm taking this brown color from Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. Off camera, I have curled my lashes and now I'm putting some mascara. Today I'm using Silky Girl Big Eye Mascara. To set the makeup, I'm using NYX Finish Matte Setting Spray. So guys, this is the complete look for today's makeup tutorial, a church wedding bride look. I have done my hair and decorate with some accessories. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and leave your comment or thoughts about this tutorial. And also, if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in my social media. I have provided all my social media link in the description box below. For your convenience, I also listed all the products I have used for this tutorial. So I will see you next week with a brand new tutorial. Until then, bye bye.